First roll of the day. Alright. Here comes a lucky one. Going in that hole.
How often does it actually end up going down? Not very often. Okay.
Does it fall off somewhere?
Yeah, the loop. If the ball is too heavy, it will just stop on the loop.
Is it gonna make it? Or is it gonna fall off?
We're gonna.
Oh, right there, the last one.
Womp womp.
Where is it?
Right there. You want to try it again? There you go. Oh,
Huh?
made it around,
Yeah.
but not. Boop.
There we go.
All right. Fun. All right, we are back at the Wild Center, and we are at their new Racket River Roll.
Yep, that's it. The roll
Racket River
trail.
Roll
Yep.
and the Fen Trail. So we've got our wooden ball, and we're rolling it down all the little
Activities.
activities that they have.
Great for kids, but we'll check it out too.
Yeah, we're checking it out. It was $6 to rent a ball. I think you can buy them.
I think this is a buying a ball.
Oh, I thought
Yeah.
we rented it.
I don't think
Maybe
so.
we bought it. We might have bought this ball. I don't know. But we've just done the first one, and there are 11 more, and we're gonna go check them out.
All right, let's go. On the spot.
All right. Looks like there's 2 different things you can pick.
Oh yeah, look at that. Straight down, a lot of speed. Well, we know the speed bounced it off before, so let's do this one.
Okay. I've lost it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see it with my eyeballs.
That's a long one right there.
It was long.
2 different ones, the high and the low. Here's another one.
That was fun. This is really neat.
All right.
So the trail in total is 1.5 miles.
1.2.
1.2.
Okay. Oh, look at that. There's a curve. You could go either way.
Oh yeah.
Go on the trail and pass the time pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, let's try the next one. Oh, it stayed on. Oh, there it goes.
So it's pretty busy today. It's just after the 4th. But I'll say, like, kids are loving this trail.
Yeah.
It's a nice way to, like, go on a hike in the woods. That's very, like, level and easy, but still keep your kids occupied.
Yeah.
They're having a great time.
Yeah, they're running up. They can't wait to get to the next one and see what the
Yeah.
next one does. Yeah, it's
That's
pretty,
right.
pretty neat. It's fun for all. All right, what's this next step?
We're gonna pulley it.
Okay. Let me get over here.
Here it comes.
Oh, where'd it go?
It's right here.
Oh, there it is. So it's another one. That's kind of neat. Oh, and one more pulley?
I think there's 2 more.
These are getting taller. All right, so where are we going?
We're going up.
Oh, from here. All right, go ahead.
I was like, oh no, it's stuck up there forever.
Going down the stairs.
Oh, it's a down the drain.
There
There we go.
All right, so we did like 5 or 6 things already, and now we come across this nice little resting area. It's all made with stuff people threw away, apparently.
Go have a seat.
And it's a swing.
Oh, yeah, all right. Did you hit your head?
No. Nice little rope swing.
Yeah. So there's a big net. Don't know what we do.
Oh, here's something else coming up.
Oh, you gotta send this one up the thing. Interesting.
Yeah, picked up a lot of speed on this one. Yeah, what a great trail. Hey, plenty of benches to sit along the way. You know, lots of activities for everyone to do along the way. I think in the beginning we bought a ball. It was like $6 at the beginning of the trailhead. Or you can go inside the main museum at the coffee shop and get a ball there too to have fun rolling.
Yeah, I noticed, I think if you get them inside, a lot of the kids have decorated theirs.
Oh, it could be. Yeah, they
so
must
that's
have
really cute.
They must have a decorating spot. We can
Yeah.
look later.
Yeah.
Where's it go in the drain?
Right there.
Oh, it still goes.
Yeah. You can see it right through.
It's a nice little
Black.
wood, and then yeah, solid.
I hear it,
Yeah,
I don't see it.
There it is.
Oh yeah. Very cool.
It is. That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
Took a lot of time to build this.
Oh, it definitely did.
All right, so we figured out what these are for.
That's right. There you go.
So you can sit
And look at the
and
canopy.
look at the sky.
Let's see what it looks like. Let's see if it can hold 2 adults. Oh yeah, that's a nice view. That's a nice
Relaxing.
view.
We might not want to get up from
I mean,
here.
actually, this is pretty comfortable.
Yeah, it is. Might have to make one of these.
Yeah, it might be better than a hammock.
Yeah.
The whole trail is basically this flat gravel, so it's been very nice. And not too far in between each activity, wouldn't you say?
Oh, yeah. It goes by pretty fast. This is a long one. There's
Yeah.
another long one.
It's another long one with a
Looks
bunch
like
of pulleys.
there's 3 or 4 pulleys maybe.
Yeah.
Pretty fun.
It's amazing. Every single one of these is different, and even if they have like similar elements, they're all. It must have taken forever
Oh, yeah.
for them to design this and then build it. This is really cool.
I've never seen anything like this before.
Yeah, and honestly, reading about it online, I
Doesn't
didn't
even
really
tell
get
you.
it.
No, it
I
doesn't
didn't
even
really
tell you
get it.
anything about it
Yeah.
besides the name of the trail, so you got to guess. But yeah,
Yeah.
this is
Very cool.
great.
I think we're coming to the end of the trail.
Oh, this might be the end because the river's right there.
Oh yeah, well, we'll go check that out next.
I don't even have to move anywhere. It comes right back there.
Oh, nice. And the circle is complete.
That's right.
All right, well, that Racket River roll was so much fun. Definitely bring your kids. They will have a blast. And we saw like little tiny tykes
Yeah.
who were able to do
They're
this.
having a
so-
blast. I can't believe we walked a mile. Or not,
Yeah.
well, I guess it's 1.2 total, so
Yeah,
it's a half a mile. Doesn't even seem like we walked a half a mile,
Yeah,
really.
it was really fun. Highly recommend it. If you're going to visit here, definitely check it out.
Yeah.
Very fun.
And you get a neat little souvenir.
That's right. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the trails.